There we are, all ready to go. All packed and ready to go. Bryn's first airplane ride. Yay!
The cameraman just told me these folks were in the Brussels airport and they're just getting back. Yeah, totally. That's a serious tripod.
He's got the master tripod.
Yeah.
This is a busy airport. Wow.
I see what you're doing.
There's a lot of people here.
In the meantime, any small children or any military personnel, you're welcome to join the boarding queue at this time through gate number 7 for flight number 514 to New York JFK.
At this time, we would like to welcome our pre-boarding customers here at Gate 9 for Flight 348 with service to Oakland. Pre-boarding includes you if you feel you need extra time and or assistance getting out to the aircraft. If you would like to pre-board here at Gate 9 for a flight to Oakland, you may do so.
Oh, Bryn, getting your pants changed before the airplane ride.
You know, I didn't even know there were family bathrooms. This is a family, it's like a conference call. It should be a party zone.
There you go, Bryn. Happy as can be. I'm glad you're so happy.
All right.
There you go.
Change that diaper before that flight.
Always jump from the flight deck if we can this week. My name's Mike Bell. I'm in the bridge today and I'm scanning. Long Beach Base flight cabin.
It's nice we got the front row, Peggy.
I'm thankful.
Yeah, that's nice. This is his first flight, so we'll see how it goes.
Brendan, look at me, Mom. Brendan. Brendan, look. Oh, we don't see it.
Bryn, are you so excited? We have arrived.
Yes, he is.
Wow,
I'll get
this
the car seat.
So nice. So we just got here. It's so nice here. We're staying at a friend's vacation home. It's their second home. They let us use their place. Last time we were here was 2 years ago, so it's nice to be back. Now we're at a Brazilian restaurant, and the guy over there said, "Chicken hearts, chicken hearts." Now, Brittany, that is a plate of food, all right. Daddy hooked you up. Ooh, yeah. Look at the shrimp. Nice. Yummy. This is the nacho plate. Yummy. Okay. Day 1 of, we're here 4 nights in Utah. Tomorrow we'll be at CVX. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, everyone.